Hey guys, I'm Daniel from the Art of Style. We started with my friend's new community where we will make tutorials with my friends and also packs. We made RAWSTYLE kickback and melody pack and RAWSTYLE SERUM pack. Now I will try a lot harder to make a lot more quality tutorials for you, and also my friends will help me with that, and I will start episodes with lead layering, and I will continue work on exactly this melody. This melody is coming from my huge hardstyle melody pack. There is a lot of the packs in one and a lot of the new melodies, and this is coming euphoric hardstyle melody and 7th. I will show you how to layer these leads, and in next video I believe I will make drop and now build up. I will see. Okay, let's jump into it. First of all, I will show how it sounds all together. This is how it sounds. It's really not that complicated or anything else. I love to go simple ways, not make too complicated, because I know a lot of you who are watching this beginners. Okay, I first of all try to disable all effects. I use Bitweak, but this tutorial can be applied on any DAW. Okay, let's start of all from main lead. As you can see, there nothing much is going on. I use only two serums, and I took the lead from RAWSTYLE pack. And yes, you can use very well these leads on any kind of hardstyle, euphoric, RAW. This Alive 2 lead, I didn't change anything there. This second lead is Noise, also from same package. But together. As you can see, you don't need thousands of layers, just 2 layers and it will sound really nice. Okay, let's start a layer. This is layering plugin for in Bitweak, and in FL Studio you can just layer them, and in any other DAW just route to groups, and in the leads, main lead bass, I will add hip hop pancha. It's my favorite preset, and I just little bit tweaking this high end. To add some saturation to the lead. Second, I use Fab Filter Pro Q, just tweaking a little bit highs high mids, and cutting out the low end. Also anything over 20,000 Hz, because we anyway don't hear it, we don't need. And I will use this automation gain. As you can see, you can read here what it does. I basically always use that. And my favorite plugin for leads, compressor. To give this punch effect. And let's go to the chords layer. It's muted all, and this is also same hardcore fat. I didn't change in this one anything, all stays same. No, I lied. I used envelope 2 to make this headhunter style chords. And didn't change anything else. Then I duplicated this 2 times, the same preset, 2 times duplicated, one to the left, another to the right, and here I added the sound voicing, and here is anything else. And all together. And here I also added the hip hop puncher and boosted a lot, not a lot, quite some of the highs. OTT. Took down the def upward and downward and added some mids. And last is EQ, just low cut and high cut. And for leads, what I love to do is adding really little bit of the reverb. It's send reverb I will show in next episodes. And for the leads I add a lot more, because it's main part. And also same for the delay. And this is how you can easily layer the leads. See you guys in next video.